Hello, how can I help you? I would like to report my stolen wallet. What is your name? How did this happen? I am David. I was standing in front of the pharmacy. A boy came and he took my wallet from my pocket and ran away. Don't worry, we will find your wallet as soon as possible. Okay, thanks. Excuse me? Yes, please. How can I help you? Can you please tell me the way to go to the bank? Yeah, sure. The bank is very near from here. You have to go this way. Go straight and turn left. The bank is across from the road. Thank you so much for your help. It's okay. Hello, brother. Yes, please. I want to withdraw some money from my account. Sure. Thanks. Hello. Yes, please. Do you know where is supermarket? Yes, you are almost there. The supermarket is behind the blue building. Thanks a lot. I am so excited. Why you are so excited? Because today I am going to the swimming pool with my brothers. Well, great. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. When I was child, my parents told my brother to teach me how to swim. I have to go dear. I have some work at my home. Okay, bye. See you soon. Bye.